Listen, with interest rates going up like crazy, have you pivoted to a higher cash flow strategy yet? If not, then today's video is for you, my friends. I'm gonna be telling you exactly what I did right after you smash the subscribe button, okay? Thanks, that's my small ask here if you're getting value on the channel. What we're gonna be covering here today, instead of keeping all your rentals as boring, regular, long-term rentals, why not switch some of them over to medium-term, 1 month or more, fully furnished rentals. Today, you're gonna get to see a case study of how I tripled my rents by putting up one of our old, tired units that had a long-term tenant in the building that wasn't going anywhere. I personally feel that medium-term rentals are the minimum effective dose when it comes to getting the highest cash flow for the least amount of work that you put in your properties. So with that, let's jump right into the footage of this massive cash flow transformation. Let's go. What's up, YouTube? Come on into our furnished rental here that's all finished up now. All right, everybody, you've probably watched some of our former videos here where we were renovating this unit. It was kind of a disaster. The tenants left it pretty messy. And what we did was we refreshed it, renovated it, and we furnished it. Now we're getting some killer rent. So make sure you watch to the very end to see what we're getting on this place here. But I just want to give you a quick progress video so you actually could close the loop on the story of what we did here, all right? So if you can remember, in this room here, we had to actually lift the floor because it was sinking underneath the weight of this big rad, and there was a little bit of decaying rafters here, all right? So we lifted the floor, moved it, the rad, fixed it all up, put the floor back in, furnished the room here. Turned out really well. The only thing that's actually new in here is actually the TV. All this other furniture in here was actually thrifted at Habitat stores and all sorts of things. Really good shape. Actually, the pillows are probably new here as well. So this is kind of like the living room, TV room, big closet over here, nice art on the walls. Let's go check out the other rooms here in the house too. All right, so in the kitchen, we just kind of refreshed the countertops and the cabinets here. We didn't do a ton, but new fixtures, new lights. We had a bit of an issue where we wanted to get some extra electrical in here. So the light to the center of the room is actually a remote light. Nice, neat kitchen for whoever's staying here short term. And coming into here, this was kind of like the previous tenants' like arts and crafts room. So we turned this into more like the dining area. Again, new window coverings, new art on the wall here. And then the bathroom, we did a big refresh on the bathroom here. It's gonna get a little bit tight quarters here. Somebody will stay in the bathtub, but new towel tub surround. When we were doing the reno, there was literally like a weird wall here that was blocking the window and everything. So we just got this U-shaped curtain rod, and now we could actually open it up, put in a newer, smaller vanity here, painted everything, new floors, fixtures, everything's looking really good. All right, now we're up in the bedroom, so might as well talk some business and get down to numbers, okay? So this property here, the project in general, to do the refresh of the apartment took us about $15,000, okay? That was plumbing, electrical, flooring, paint, fixtures, all that sort of stuff. Some of it was behind the walls, wasn't too sexy, right? But furniture and furnishing it, staging it was about $5,000, okay? We were able to save some good money there. So before this renovation was done, we were only getting $880 or so for rent. You know, property was about 4 years old. Tenants were locked in at that rent, and if you're a landlord here in Ontario or most states and provinces, there's only so much that you can raise the rent every single month. So once they moved out, we renovated, and now that it's all furnished and done up to the nines, we are actually getting $2,200 to $2,400 a month. It is not even on Airbnb. This is a medium-term rental. So an MTR is when you would rent out something medium-term, okay? So for us, that's typically 2 or 3 months or more. The last tenant here stayed for almost 4 months. It's vacant for a few days as we market it again and get someone else new in here. So again, crazy cash flow. Highly recommend that you need to be doing some kind of furnished rental. Doesn't have to be Airbnb, but do something that's more of a service-based business to your clients, and you'll be amazed at what it does for the bottom line in your business. All right, so hopefully you like this video. I just wanted to be able to do a recap, show people what we did at the place here, and make sure that you're following the channel. Drop a comment down below if you're doing any short-term or medium-term rentals, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks.